Yeah, it's Dale when you drop them off.
What?
You gonna drop them off soon?
What? Hello?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
That's great. I dropped my phone, so it's not working so well. You know?
Hello?
So how's it going?
Who's this?
You texted me? You know who this is?
Isn't this Josh?
You got it.
Then why are you talking like that?
I was just trying to prank call you, have a little fun in this family.
Oh. Quit fucking with me.
I'm sorry. Well, I just bought a trampoline. I don't know if you want me to bring it over. You quit fucking with me. I know you can hear me.
What?
Yeah, it's Dale when you drop them off. Great. Drop my phone, so it's not working so well.
Hello?
You quit fucking with me.